Hey guys, in this video we go over how to open a Schwab International brokerage account, and this is going to be a full guide. So here I am on the official website. Okay, this is the exact URL. You can come and click on open an account, and these are the requirements you will need. They'll ask you for these things, so just keep that in mind before you proceed. Okay, then just go ahead and select your country or a region. So let's say we are in the United States. Okay, we come here, select United States of America. Okay, and then we are redirected to this page. So we want to open an international brokerage account. Okay, they have popular investment accounts here. You can go ahead and open it online. If it's an individual brokerage, come select here. If it's a joint brokerage, you can select this one. So I'll do the individual one. You just need to go ahead and click on this right here. Okay, and on this page we will be going over this, and they'll explain what you can exactly do with the individual brokerage account. Come here, just click on get started. After you're done, first you need to enter your personal information. Okay, your names, your home address, your social security number, date of birth, email, okay, and your phone number as well. And then they will take in some regulatory information from you. Okay, and they'll need some documents you'll have to submit. They'll then explain to you some agreements, features, things like that, and just go ahead and fill everything in and continue with this process. But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple. You can do this completely online. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Find Your Solution.